Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply a fake stem effects to your food footages on CapCut. So here you can just add a video or a food footage into CapCut, and after that go to effects, click on the video effects, and swipe in through the category until you find the nature category, this one, and under here you'll find the steam effect. Okay, scroll down, this one's right here. So when you click that, there will be a steam to your videos like that. You can adjust it in here. You can adjust the atmosphere and also the speed of the steam itself. Adjust it to how you like it, and after that click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the duration like this is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.